Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan the QR code on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon or a hamburger icon at the top left. Over here, tap on that three-lined icon at the top left, and this kind of panel will appear when you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you will land on this interface where you will be required to scroll down a little bit until you can find the devices option available for us just below the chat folders. Tap on devices, and over here you can see the link desktop device option available for us. Now in order to proceed to scan your QR code on Telegram, tap on link desktop device and the camera like this will open, you can see guys, and you will be able to scan the QR code of the Telegram from over here. Make sure to place the QR code inside this box so that Telegram can scan the QR code precisely. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to scan QR code on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.